How to deactivate your Factor Meals account. Step 1. Cancel before the weekly cut-offs. To avoid being charged for the next delivery, cancel before the weekly cut-off, which is usually Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time, or earlier depending on your ship day, checking your shipping schedule to be sure. Step 2. Deactivate via website or app. Log in at factor75.com, navigate to Settings, Plan Settings, scroll down to Status and click Deactivate My Plan. Confirm your cancellation by following prompts, including selecting Cancel Anyway and Deactivate Now. If you are using via mobile app, tap your profile icon, Plan Management, Deactivate Plan, and confirm reason and cancel. You should receive an email confirming the activation shortly after. Step 3. Cancel via email or phone if needed. Send a message from your registered email to help@factor75.com, including your full name and reason to deactivate. Or you can call number 888-573-5727 and ask to terminate your subscriptions. Be ready with your name and email. Step 4. Watch for hidden steps and UI issues. Some users report multiple confirmation screens, such as optional feedback surveys, where the deactivate button only appears after completing each step. Ensure you see final screen confirming the activation with Reactivate Plan button. Double or troubleshooting account reactivate or change anyway or charge anyway. Check if your account was reactivated by mistake. Some users reported automatic reactivations after clicking ads or logging in again. It's smart to monitor your bank statements. If charges happen after the activations, consider freezing the card or requesting a refund via bank dispute. Always reach out for Factor support to confirm cancellation status. And that's it.